on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let me redo that actually. Make sure my beard's all nice. What's going on? Welcome back to another video. So I got a call to pick up a bucket truck, which I'm here right now. I just backed up to it. Let me get my gloves. This is it here. The truck's really dirty. Oh, ice, 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 ice. I'm not sure if it's loaded. Even if it's loaded, my truck can still lift it. Maybe you guys could check for me. Is it? Not really. Okay. Alright, so let me get this thing hooked up. No way, this is air brakes. Should already be in neutral, right? Perfect, already in neutral. Alright. So, I got it hooked up now. I just gotta pull the axle because I don't really want to do the drive shaft, or maybe I'll do the drive shaft. Axle, drive shaft, axle. Maybe I'll just do the drive shaft. Let's lift her up as high as we could go. Okay. So my GoPro died, so I'm using my my good camera right now. Actually, she's pretty high right now, ain't she? Get some tools. I think she might be one of these ones here. An extension. Grab my gun. Let's go. Wait, does that actually have air brakes? Because there is. Wow, this thing does have air brakes. So I do gotta put air to this then. Wow, let's see if this is the right size. Nope. Let me go get my...
I used to do it.
Okay. It ain't nice.
Isn't that nice?
No.
So what you gonna do there now?
So I lent out my truck the other day, and this is how I got my crowbar back. They really put this thing to work, or they switched it out. I don't know. Mine was in pretty good shape. But oh well, I guess they worked it, right? What could you say? Or what can I do, should I say? Let me put all the drive shaft, all these drive shaft bolts back here.